Hey guys, welcome back to Dub's Garage. I put this remanufactured small block Chevy 350 in the 52 here, probably about 10 years ago. And believe it or not, I've only got about 4,000 miles on it. So I was digging through some paperwork the other day and come across the note that said after 3,000 miles, you'd need to readjust your valve lash. So I'm sure whatever warranty I had on this motor's gone now, but I thought, well, I'll do that real quick and give me a little bit of peace of mind that the valve lash is okay and it hadn't moved. So here's my version of it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start the motor. I'm going to let it run for a minute or two, and then I'll back off on my lifters or my rocker arms one at a time until they clack, and then I'm going to tighten it until it the clacking stops, and then I'm going to go at least a half a turn, if not 3/4 of a turn. I'm reading anywhere from a quarter to 1 turn adjustment on the rocker arms. I'm going to try to count the revolutions when I back it off to make them clack, just to kind of give me an idea where they might have been. So it may be a 1/4 turn or a half a turn. I'm not sure which or what I'm going to find when I get into it. So All right, so I'm over here on the passenger side now. And what I didn't show you on the driver's side was how I kept the oil from kind of splashing everything everywhere and running everywhere. So this is not my invention, but I just got a piece of cardboard strip and I put it down in here like this, just in front of the rocker arms or the valve springs, and make sure they're not in the valve spring. And that kind of helps keep it from keeping the oil from splashing out. And then I'll lay down a couple of rags over the, not on the exhaust pipe, but over this cardboard and up in here somewhere. And that, if any splashes out, it won't run on to the truck anywhere. Well, I'll only have about an hour's worth of work in this, and get the valve cover gaskets on and take it out for a spin. This side was a little messier for some reason, but that's all right. I got peace of mind knowing that they're set. And I didn't think they would move. I didn't think they could move. But when you're dealing with somebody else's work, you don't know what's going to happen, or even your own work for that matter. But I feel I got peace of mind now that I'm not going to have any problems. I'll never have to do that again. Shouldn't have to. Hydraulic lifters, they once you get them set, they're supposed to be set forever, but I don't know why they put that note in that with the motor, saying that I needed to readjust them, and I think they were just fine. Actually, they're a little looser now. They're all 3/4 of a turn, and they were all about 3/4 one turn, near as I could tell. So, well, put it back together and go for a ride. Well, I wasn't really paying attention to what was going on underneath of the truck, and apparently the oil ran out of the back side of the cylinder head and down the transmission and onto the floor. So I lost about a quart or so of oil there, and I think I was about almost a quart low. So I'll go ahead and change it and get everything cleaned up and take it for a test drive, but I'm sure it'll be okay. Well, I appreciate you guys watching, and stay tuned. With all this stuff going on, I'll have some more videos coming out before long. Thanks.